Good morning, students. Today we are going to study chapter number 3 of history, which is Jainism and Buddhism. The 6th century BC is regarded as an important period in world history which saw the emergence of new religions. In India, it was the period when orthodox religious beliefs and practices were challenged, and Jainism and Buddhism emerged as the most powerful religious and reform movements. There are three important sources which provide information about Jainism and Buddhism. First is Angas, second is Tripitakas, and third are Jatakas. So first we will learn about Angas. What are Angas? Angas are actually the Jain literature. So it's a part of a Jain literature, one of the categories of Jain scriptures, and they are considered to be the direct preachings of Lord Mahavira, his original words in Prakrit language. It is said that Mahavira has compiled 12 auxiliary works which are known as Upangas. The second important source which provide information about Jainism and Buddhism are Tripitakas. Tripitakas are the most important literary works of the Buddhists. What does the word Tripitaka mean? Tripitaka means 3 baskets of Buddhist canon. The earliest writings of Tripitakas were taken on long, narrow leaves, swinged together on one side and bound in bunches and then stored in baskets. Therefore, they were called the 3 baskets. These works, written in Pali language, include Vinay Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka, and Abhidhamma Pitaka. Let's discuss the 3 Pitakas in detail. First, we would like to learn about Sutta Pitaka. It consists of the discourses of Buddha on various occasions. The Dhammapada, that is the way of truth, is an important component of this Pitaka, which consists of Buddha's teaching. Second, we have Vinay Pitaka. It deals with rules and regulations which Buddhist monks and nuns should follow. It gives an account of the life and teachings of Buddha as well as some important aspects of ancient Indian history, customs and art of the period. Third, Abhidhamma Pitaka deals with Buddhist philosophy. It describes things like the working of the human mind and the state of matter. The third basket of 3 Pitakas are Jatakas. Jatakas refer to the tales which describe the previous births of Buddha in both human and animal form. Each tale begins by noting the occasion that prompted its telling and ends with the Buddha identifying the lives of people in the introductory story with such people from the past. The future Buddha may appear in them as king, an outcast, a god, an elephant, but in whatever form he exhibits some virtue that the tale highlights. They also reflect Buddhist morals, ethics, and principles. Let's discuss the causes for the rise of Jainism and Buddhism. Reaction against ritualism. Religious ceremonies had become very expensive beyond the means of ordinary people. So, this gave rise to a new faith that was simple and inexpensive. Next, we have rigid caste system. The division of society into Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras had become rigid. It did not allow any social mobility. Supremacy of Brahmins created unrest. All the religious texts were written in Sanskrit, which was difficult for the common people to understand. So, my dear students, this is all for our today's session. We will continue with the next part of the lesson in our next class. Thank you, everyone.